How to turn off X or Twitter sensitive content settings. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. However, we will not be using the regular X Twitter app. Instead, we will be using a mobile browser. So go ahead and open up any browser you have. And once you do that, navigate to the Twitter X and log in to your account. Now, once you do that, click on the profile icon or picture at the top left. Then click on Settings and Support drop down at the bottom. Then click on Settings and Privacy. On this page right here, click on Privacy and Safety. And from the Activity section, click on Content you see. And you will get to this page right here where you will be able to disable the sensitive content settings on your Twitter X account. So there are two options that you need to turn off here. The first option is, as you can see, this first one, it says display media that may contain sensitive content. So uncheck this box right here to turn off this feature. And by doing that, you will be disabling the display of media that may contain sensitive content. And the second option is click on search settings at the bottom and you will get to this page right here. You will see that the first option, it says hide sensitive content, and it says that this prevents posts with potentially sensitive content from displaying in your search result. So turn on this option right here, and once you do these you disable this option and enable the other one, you will be turning off and disabling the sensitive content settings on your Twitter X account. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable the sensitive content settings on your Twitter X account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.